Welcome to our PSU Showdown. Today, we're comparing two of the best 850W power supplies on the market, the CORSAIR RM850X and the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 3. Both units are 80+ Gold certified, ensuring high efficiency and reliability for your gaming or workstation setup. Let's dive into the details and see how they stack up against each other. When it comes to pricing, the CORSAIR RM850X is priced at $149 United States dollars, while the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 3 comes in at a more budget-friendly $109 United States dollars. This significant price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for value without compromising on quality. Both power supplies are 80+ Gold certified, ensuring high efficiency. The CORSAIR RM850X features a low-noise fan and 0 RPM mode, which allows for silent operation at low loads. On the other hand, the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 3 also boasts a 0 RPM mode, along with a hexagonal fan cover designed for optimal airflow. This makes both units excellent choices for performance-oriented builds. Both the CORSAIR RM850X and the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 3 are fully modular power supplies. This means you can use only the cables you need, which helps reduce clutter in your PC case and improves airflow. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who prioritize aesthetics and organization in their builds. In conclusion, both the CORSAIR RM850X and the Cooler Master MWE Gold 850 volts 3 offer excellent performance and efficiency. If you are looking for a more affordable option, the Cooler Master is a fantastic choice. However, if you prefer a premium feel and additional features, the CORSAIRs may be worth the extra investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.